So I'm living a relaxed life here in Portugal and I'm reading Rich Dad Poor Dad, but in the meantime I've built a 7-figure lazy dropshipping business from scratch. And I know this sounds a little bit weird and sounds a little bit strange, but trust me, I'm a regular dude, I'm a normal dude just like you, so that means that you can do it too. In this video, I will show you the exact 4 steps that I took to build this lazy dropshipping business. After this video, you have the proven framework that you can use to build a 7-figure lazy dropshipping business yourself. Especially step number 4 is crucial for your success. So if you cannot even pay attention for the next 10 minutes, you're already doomed to fail. Watch till the end and implement these steps and build a 7-figure lazy dropshipping business yourself. So let's get started. All right. These 4 steps that I have been talking about are actually a proven framework. And I call this framework the 4-piece system because there are actually 4 P's that I always keep in mind before starting a lazy 7-figure dropshipping business. But before I reveal all the P's, let's just start with the first big P and with the first actual step. The first P that I'm talking about is product. You know, a winning product can change your life. But how do I actually find this winning product and where do I need to start looking? Well, I use common sense plus data to verify my real winning products. So what do I do first? First of all, I go to the Facebook ads library. Facebook ads library is a gold mine of all these advertisements from dropshippers finding these winning products. And I used to find these winning products by using keywords like 50% off, free shipping, pain, relief, or even keywords like hair, neck, wrinkles. All kind of problems that people have that I'm using these keywords for to find these advertisements. So once I find all these products being sold by dropshippers, I take these keywords and I bring them to Google Trends. Google Trends, I use the same keywords to see if a product is in demand. I want to see that the Google trend is going up or is staying evergreen. I don't want to sell products that are decreasing in trend or losing momentum. Keep that in mind. And actually in the first big P, product, is a hidden second P. And that one is problem. So if I want to sell a big amount of products, I want to solve a big problem. So the bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the reward is that you get. So keep that in mind while you're searching for this product. So now you know which product you want to sell. You have verified the data on Google Trends. So now you actually know which product you want to pick. But now you think, which platform do I use to advertise this on? Well, that brings me to the second P, which is platform. And with platform, I actually mean our advertising platform. Because remember, in the first P, we used Facebook ads library to find these winning products and we verified them with Google Trends. It would be stupid from us to use the same product again on Facebook ads. And this is exactly where 99% of the dropshippers are failing. They are using the exact same ads, the exact same products on the exact same platform. And that is exactly where we are different from. Because this is what you need to understand about Facebook. Facebook is an auction platform, which means the one with the most amount of budget and the most amount of creators will always win the auction. When you're just starting out with your first winning product, you will not succeed with this competitive market on Facebook ads. This is why I always choose Google Ads as my platform to advertise my products. And please don't click away because I will explain you exactly what the common sense is behind using Google Ads. We are just using common sense here. Where do people actually go to buy a product? For example, if people want to buy this camera that I'm talking to, where do people go? Do you think they will open their Facebook app to see if they can buy the camera? Or do you think they open the TikTok app to see what kind of cameras are being sold? Or are they going to Google and just type in best camera to use? Well, I'm thinking about option number 3. I use every time Google to search my products that I actually want to buy. So the beauty is with Google Ads, we only target ready to buy customers and we don't need to convince them why they need to buy from us. The only thing that we really need to do is show a really great offer, and that's it. This means we are getting the highest return of ad spend. We are getting the biggest ROAS. So now we have found all these amazing products on Facebook ads library. We want to take them on our store and start the advertisement. And this is the exact moment that we start to scale. And for scaling, we come to the third P, and that is people. We need more people to help us scale. I'd rather be lazy than tired. Like I told you, I am a lazy dropshipper. So I want to work smart, not hard. So for that, to be a lazy dropshipper, we need people around us to help and build this 7-figure dropshipping business. So how do we do this? Because we use the Facebook ad library to find all these amazing winning products, we need someone that can scrape all these products and put them on our store. So the first VA that I hire just clicks on one button and imports all the products on my store, and we can start advertising them. But that is the little secret I want to tell you as well. I don't do the media buying myself. That's where I actually hire the second person, which is the media buyer. I can try and learn myself Google Ads totally by myself and waste all this time by learning it, but I can also incentivize people to just run the ads for me, and when they start performing, they get paid as well. So I want to create a win-win situation. Well, lucky for me, I have my own Google Ads agency, so I hire my own media buyers just for my own Google Ads stores. And I only pay them when the Google Ads are performing. This is actually the whole business model of the agency. So now we're actually talking about money, which brings me to the fourth P, which is profit. There are a lot of online gurus always flexing with their Shopify dashboards and their Facebook ad spend, but based on the ROAS, I can already tell these people have thin margins. They don't make that much profit. But with revenue, you cannot pay the bills. You really need profit to make a comfortable living. But trust me, I have been spending millions of dollars also on Facebook ads, and I got millions of revenue back with Facebook ads as well. But after paying all these Facebook business managers, agency accounts that charge a percentage of the ad spend, all these VPNs and new profiles because you get restricted, the thin margin at the end is crazy. So this is why I stopped using Facebook ads. It was very expensive for me to keep the business running, relying on only Facebook ads, and that's why I switched to Google Ads. Now we have finally a platform that gives you a higher return of ad spend and gives you way more profit at the end of the ride. So now we make more profit, we can reinvest this profit into multiple Google Ads dropshipping stores. We are going to make a whole ecosystem with compounding stores that compound profit by profit, which is insane. Because guess what? The first store that is making profit with all these Google Ads dropshipping products, we can take the same products from this store and bring them over to that store with the same advertisement, but on a different market. So you can leverage the VA and bring over the products from store A to store B. So now you have all the 4 P's working together. You use the same platform, you use the same products, you use the same people, and then you use the same profit to reinvest in this whole ecosystem. And this is exactly the most laziest way to make 7 figures as a dropshipper. This is exactly what I have been doing the last few months, and I have been documenting this into my community, which is the 90 Days to Online Freedom community. And by the moment that you are watching this, the whole community is closed. You see already here 100 plus people are actually waiting to be allowed to be accepted into the program, but we're fully closed. But I would love to make it up to you. I have made a totally free masterclass around how to make your first 1K day within 90 days with only using Google Ads. You don't need to have any experience, you only need your laptop with an internet connection. It will be linked down below in the description. You can opt in for it. It is totally free. You can follow this masterclass and you can exactly learn how I use these 4 P's into the system, and I will show you exactly how I apply them live. But maybe you're lucky and you're watching this recording way later and we opened up the community as well. Well, if we're open, the link will be in the description as well. But if we're still closed, you can only watch the free masterclass. So I hope to see you in the community or in the masterclass and talk soon. Peace.